How do you read?
So read you 5, Victor Tango, Victor India Romeo.
Good. So, a quick question for you. Write down a question.
Yes.
You are in an aircraft with a planned TAS of 146 knots. The forecast wind
Okay.
vector is 315/20. You need to fly
Okay.
track of 040 true.
040 true.
What is the heading to fly and what will your ground speed be?
Okay.
Do you think you'll be able to solve?
Mm, yes, sir, yes, I'll solve. Mm, so my tax is 146. My track is 040. To find heading and ground speed. So my track is 040. My TAS is 146. My wind direction is 315 and my wind speed is 20 knots. Okay, I'll just do this. Heading and ground speed. Mm, Yes, so my TAS is 140, 146.
Am I asking you for your
My
TAS?
track is
TAS is 146. Yeah, given. That is given. Correct.
no, sir. You are asking me for my yes, yes.
I'm
So
asking you for your heading and your ground speed.
my true heading. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, you're heading. So you're asking for that. Okay, 040 and wind speed is
You're taking
2315.
long.
Okay, so my ground speed is 143 knots and my true heading is 32 degrees.
Very good. Can you also point out your drift?
So can you please repeat?
Can you also find out your drift? Your answers are correct for ground speed and heading. What if I say also tell me your
Uh,
drift?
drift. Okay, so drift is 1 second. So drift is -8.
Drift is either
Minus
port
8
or
degrees.
starboard.
Okay, like that. Okay. 1 second,
Minus
I'll
8 you've got
do
from the
that.
CalC, that is wind correction angle, I guess, WCA.
Yes.
We are not
Yes,
talking
sir.
about wind correction
So
angle.
my true heading is here. Yes, sir. So my true heading, so my track is here.
Remember, we allow for the drift.
Okay. Yes, sir. We allow for the drift. And
Your value is correct, -8. 8 degrees, I understand, but your drift can either be a port drift or a starboard drift.
Or a starboard drift. Yes, sir.
What
I
is the answer?
remember that. I remember that. I think my drift will be towards port side.
Why
My
port
drift will be
side?
port side
Why port side?
because my track was 40 and my true heading is 32. So नहीं टीवी बंद कर दो पता नहीं sorry sir so I think the wind is pushing me towards the left because my heading was 40 okay 40 degrees and because of wind
Heading is
I
40
think
or
so port
required
side
track is
is it
40?
right required track is 40 and my true heading is 032 degrees 32 degrees so it will be port side
What is port? Port is left or right?
port is left starboard is right
Okay. What is your wind direction?
so wind direction is 315
You're
so wind
making
is
the same error which you were making when you were a beginner. So it means that you're not learning from what you're studying
yes
or from experience. You need to get this clearly in your mind. You're missing important points that we had discussed. And that's why there is confusion. You're not working hard on the solution. You're not thinking it through.
Mm,
You have your track and you have your
1 second
your required
yes
track
sir
is 040. First, let me show you. Now see my steps properly, how you have to access these kind of sums.
yes sir
First, make cardinal directions for reference. Look on the screen.
yes sir
North, east, south, west. Now your required track is 040.
west
Required track is 040. Where is
040
040? 04 is somewhere here. So
yes
so that direction, this line you make here, this is your required track.
yes sir
Okay.
yes sir
How many? So do you remember we did wind velocity triangle?
yes sir we did
Your track will be with your ground speed.
yes sir
Okay. And your track will
yes
have two arrows.
yes sir
This is known as ground vector.
ground vector
Okay.
yeah
Your track is 040.
yeah
True. Ground speed you have to find out.
find out yeah
Okay.
yes sir
First step of plotting. This is the track 040 direction. Okay, good. What is the next given point to you?
next we winds are
TAS
given
is TAS is
as is
146 knots and
146
and
knots
wind is coming from 315
wind
at 20 knots.
315
Where
yes
is
sir
315? So
here
so we go to cardinal points. Okay. 315. The wind comes from 315. Where is 315? 270, 360. 315 is somewhere this.
Yes, sir.
Wind is
Yes, sir.
coming from 315. It means wind is coming in this direction.
This
From
direction.
this
Yes.
direction. Okay? Are you
Yes, sir.
following?
Yes, sir.
Did you work out?
Okay. Yes,
Did
sir.
you
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
did you work
I
out like
got you. Yes,
this?
yes, yes.
Did you work out your base equation like this?
I didn't do it. Yes, somewhat I did this way.
Don't go
But
for
I got it now.
shortcuts.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes,
listen
yes, yes,
now.
yes. I got it
So
now. Yeah.
so our aircraft ideally has to be here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So this is the starboard side of the
Yes, sir.
aircraft. This is the port side of the aircraft.
Port side of the
Now,
aircraft.
if the wind is coming from this direction, and if the
It will
wind is coming
push.
from 315 at 20 knots, so it's
It
going
will
to
push
push
my
me to the
aircraft.
starboard side.
Starboard side. Yes.
So the drift value is 8 degrees as per the
8 degrees.
calculator, 8 degrees
Yes,
towards
sir.
the starboard.
Starboard side. Yes, sir. Yes, I got it. Yeah,
So
I got
your
it now. Yeah.
aircraft will go to this track made good.
This. Yes.
We don't
Okay. So
want.
then the
So
so
we
then my
don't
aircraft will
want to.
perform its go to true heading.
So
Yes.
what heading do you need to stay on 040? Your answer is correct, 032. But you did not use the logic here, which is dangerous for us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is like knowing but not knowing.
Yeah.
Not all questions will be very
Yes, sir.
easy in the examination. Now you need to find out
Yes,
your
sir.
heading and maintain the heading to stay on 040. So if your drift is 8 degrees starboard, it means you have to turn left your heading.
Turn
So
left
always remember, the
8
first thing
degrees.
we
Yes, sir.
assume, track and heading without any wind will be 040. But because there is a wind, our
Yes, sir.
heading is
040.
our track will change. To keep that track, we'll change the heading. That's why
Change
-8. Why -8?
heading.
Because you were moving in the
-8.
anti-clockwise direction. Remember, cardinal point sexagesimal
And
system,
anti-clockwise direction.
clockwise is positive.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
-8 means you're turning left.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you're turning left, you are accounting for the
Left.
right drift, which is the starboard drift.
Right drift. Starboard drift. Yes, I got it. Yeah.
So now to keep the aircraft on the same track because of the wind component, your heading will change to 032. So where is 032?
2032.
So the aircraft will look like
Yeah.
this,
Yes, sir.
like this. Okay? But it will
Yes, sir.
continue going on this direction, maintaining this heading. It's like crabbing.
Yes, sir.
Remember, the aircraft has to crab in wind directions.
Crab. Yeah.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Once you find out
Yes, sir.
the
Yes, sir. I got
direction
it. Yeah.
from where wind is coming, it will be very easy to see which direction the aircraft is being pushed. Starboard side. That is the drift,
Aircraft has
starboard
been pushed.
drift.
Yes, sir.
-8 is the wind correction angle. You apply the angle. Correction 8 degrees to the left to maintain a heading of
Yes, sir.
032 so that you can be on a track of
Wind correction
040.
angle. 040. Yes.
Are you following?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am.
Why did you why do you think you gave me an answer incorrectly?
Sir, I thought the true heading was. I thought something like true heading was the drift heading, something like that. I was a bit confused, but now I'm not. Now I got it. Yes. First, I'll draw my equation here, and then I'll solve. Yes.
Keep it logical, okay? Keep it very logical.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what did we find right now? We were finding the heading and we were
Heading
finding
and the ground speed.
the ground speed. The Calci will give you answers, but you have to understand the drift.
The
And there are
drift,
many
yes.
ways to understand the drift. So I want you to do a couple of sums, right? Question number 1.
Yes, sir.
Wind vector 040 at 40 knots.
Okay.
Track 155. True. TAS 140. Find heading and ground speed and drift.
Yes, sir.
Drift in the last. First find heading and ground speed.
Heading. Yes, sir. Wind speed is 40 knots. Wind direction is 40 degrees. Track is 155. TAS is 140. 40, 40. Track is 155. So ground speed is 152 knots and true heading is 140. So drift is towards starboard side.
Value of the drift.
One second, I'll do. Value of the drift is 15 degrees. 15 degrees.
What is minus 15 degrees? Minus 15 degrees is your wind correction angle.
Wind correction
You have to
angle.
correct
Wind
your
correction
present
angle. Yes.
heading by reducing 15 degrees from your heading. That is meaning of minus to
Reducing.
come on the required heading of
Ye-
140. So your drift will be either port
Yes,
or
sir.
starboard.
So no. Starboard.
What's
Yes,
your
sir.
drift? Is it
So
a port drift or starboard drift?
155. Yes, I'm doing that. Like this, like I'll do like this. And wind is from
Draw the
40.
diagram. First make cardinal points, then make your required track. Give
Yes,
it two
sir.
triangles. Put ground speed question mark, just the way I did. Then mark the direction
Yes,
from
sir.
where the wind is coming, and it will be very easy for you to find out the drift.
Yes, sir. So my track is 155. So 155 is somewhere here. Okay. And wind is coming from here. Okay. So wind will push my craft toward this. Okay. So the drift will be toward port side. So 155 will be like this,
Like
and wind
how?
is coming from
Draw
40,
and
so it
show.
will push my
Draw,
craft.
draw, draw on your notebook and show.
Yes, sir.
What's your track? Which direction will be your track? 155.
The track will be somewhere here. Track will be somewhere here,
No,
and
you
wind is
you draw
coming
the
from
whole
this
thing,
way.
then show me.
Okay.
Use your logic, okay? Please, I don't think you're using logic. You're just rushing.
So so the answer is wrong.
Why don't you check?
It is not towards port side. Yes, I'll check.
You've done something wrong. That's why the answer is not correct. One of the fundamentals, one of the steps you're missing or doing incorrectly. That's why the answer is wrong. What is it?
90, 180. Okay, so mm, so it will be like this. 150 degrees. So
Unless you find the logic in these things, you'll always get wrong answers. Do you want to always give wrong answers?
no, sir. And wind is from 40 degrees. So wind will be from here. One push like this. Mm. So I think drift will be towards port side only, no?
Show me.
So 155, 1 second,
Where is
155.
155?
So 155 will be somewhere here, right? Like this.
Hmm. Show me. Show me the graph. Whatever diagram you're making.
So this is north is so 155 will be somewhere here.
Okay.
So this is my 155 and
I
wind is
cannot see
coming
your
from
155. Yeah, okay.
so wind is coming from 40 degrees. That means
Take
wind
it
is
up a
coming
little, lift it up. It's not coming in the
so
screen.
so
And keep
wind is
talking
coming
so that I
from
can see
here.
you. Yeah,
So this is 155. Wind is
yeah.
coming from here
So wind
and
is
wind will
coming from
push
here. It means wind is
40
pushing the
40 degrees.
aircraft.
40 degrees.
Wind is
Towards
pushing the aircraft in which side? Port side or starboard side?
port side.
Which is the port side of your aircraft? Show me.
This is starboard. This is port. Aircraft
Sorry,
is
say
going
again.
like this.
Show me port and starboard.
Okay.
Show me port and starboard quickly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 second. 1 second.
Just write P and S.
Um.
One side P, one side S. I'll understand.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. So my aircraft is okay. Okay. I was wrong here. Yes. Yes. So this will be my 1 second. I'll do it again. This is right side. So starboard port. Yes, sir. So like my aircraft is going like this, like this. So port will be this, starboard will be this. So it will push my aircraft toward the starboard side.
Common sense.
Yes, sir.
What what
I got
what
it now. Yeah.
what made you say port again?
I was actually, so what I did, I saw it this way, but the aircraft
I
heading was
cannot
like
see.
this,
I cannot see
and
now.
I saw it this way.
Lift it up and show.
See, the aircraft heading is like this, no? So it is going to so it is going down. So I thought it was so I saw it like this, like this. So it was opposite.
Do you know why we talk about port and starboard? Do you know why? So that the direction of flight can be known. The aircraft is going in
Yes,
which
sir.
direction? A
Which
pilot is
direction? Yes.
seating with his nose aligned with the nose of the aircraft. So it doesn't matter whether you're going to the
Align
south
with
or
the norms.
east, west or not. Right will always be right and left will always be left, depending upon your track.
Left, yes. My track, yes.
Are you
I did
following?
that
Is
opposite
there a
track, so yes.
confusion?
I got it now. Yes, sir, yes, sir. No, 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 no. Now there is no confusion. Yeah, I got it.
Now there is no confusion.
Yes.
So what's the drift value?
Drift value will be 15 degrees.
Again, you're not learning, Viraj. What's happening?
So
Only 15 degrees?
15 degrees towards port side. So I'll turn towards port side, right? I'll turn like my heading is 155. I'll turn towards port side, which is left side, and my true heading will be 140.
What's happening? We just solved it
So the
again.
wind,
Again, you're confused.
so the wind correction angle was 15 degrees. Okay.
Why are you talking
So
about
my
wind
track made
correction
good was
angle? Am I talking about wind correction angle?
no.
We just solved and again you're giving me a wrong answer. What's
Mm,
happening? See the direction of the wind and see which side will it push the aircraft. That is the drift.
yes, sir. So it will push my aircraft towards starboard side.
That is the drift. Are you not
Yes, sir.
understanding?
Yes, I got it.
We don't want to drift. That's why we are applying a correction of 15
Applying
degrees.
correction, 15
That's
degrees.
the heading.
Yes.
How are you getting the heading if you don't understand the drift?
Yes, sir. I got it. Yeah.
You didn't get it. You're not trying to get it. You try to get it. You're saying yes, but again and again you're making the same mistake.
Sorry,
Understand
sir.
your heading is on the left side. It doesn't mean it's port drift. It doesn't mean it's port drift because we have allowed for the drift. You're missing
Allowed
this
for
point.
drift. Yes, sir.
You have to control your mind on these topics, or else you'll always have this confusion and you'll lose good 15 marks in your examination. For because of this one confusion, you'll lose 15 marks in your examination. Everything will go wrong if you cannot sort this out in your mind.
Yes, sir.
You have to understand. If you've not understood, you ask me. But you don't just nod your head saying yes, 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 yes if you're not getting it.
Okay.
Ask yourself if you have understood it. If not, then we'll revisit it. But we cannot go ahead with confusions. With the required, write down question number 2. With the required track of 226 true
Yes,
and
sir.
TAS 94,
TAS is 90,
track is 226, TAS is 94. Your wind vector is 280 at
94,
27.
27.
280 at 27. What will be the heading? What will be your heading to maintain track 226? And what will be your ground speed and drift?
Okay. So
Take your time,
north, east,
understand,
south.
and be stern with your answer. Say, sir,
Yes,
मेरे
sir.
को तो port ही लग रहा है, आप मेरे को समझाओ ये port क्यों नहीं है. You have to ask questions to understand. If you won't tell your mind will always
Yes,
give
sir.
you the wrong answer.
266. So I'm going with this. Okay. So wind vector is from both side. My dash is 226. Sorry, my track is 226. My dash is 94.
Remember, your track
Wind
is what
direction.
takes you to destination, not your heading. Heading is what you
Yes, sir.
change to be on the track because of the wind. Pretty simple concept.
Yes, sir.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
following? Are you
So my
understanding what's
ground
up?
speed is 70. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm understanding. So my ground speed is 75 knots,
Mhm.
and my true heading is 239 degrees. So 226 say 239. So mm, wind is from 280. Wind यहाँ से है. ठीक है. So 226 है ना. Mm, 180, 226, like this. And so, sir, the drift is towards port side. It is, yes, it is towards port side.
What's the value of the drift? Now you're not giving me value. If you're giving me direction, you're not giving me value.
So value will be 13 degrees.
Hmm. So why you're not giving me complete answer? Have you not understood the meaning of drift?
So I have understood.
Because you have a 13-degree drift on the port side, that is your left side. So you don't want to go on the left
On the
side
port
of your
side,
track.
right?
You don't want to go on the left side of your
Left
track. You
side,
have to be on 226.
yes.
So in order to be on 226, because
So
of the
I'll
13
turn my
degree port,
aircraft to
the right,
239 degrees.
yeah, so plus 13
Yes,
degrees is your
yes, sir.
wind
I'll turn
correction
my aircraft
angle.
towards the right.
Wind correction
Wind
angle
correction
is
angle
plus 13 degrees. You have to add 13 degrees to
plus
your track
13 degrees
226.
to a
You'll,
track. Yes, sir.
yes, you'll get a lot of sums like this. What is your wind correction angle? What is your drift? Basically, it's almost the same. It's just that correction angle applied to the track. So correction angle you will apply to the track to get your heading. Write it down.
Heading.
Wind correction angle is applied to the track to get the heading.
So, yes, sir.
Right?
Heading.
WCA is applied to track to
To get
get
heading.
heading. Now, what is this track? This track is the desired direction you have to follow. This track is your airway, basically. If there are zero winds, your track
Yes.
and heading will be the same. Write down. In zero wind condition,
Same.
write second note. In zero wind condition, track and heading will be the same. Do you remember we did it with graphics? We saw diagrams. We saw what happens
Yes,
if
sir.
we
Yes, sir. Yes,
if
sir. I
we
remember
don't
that.
change the heading, then the aircraft goes away from the track.
Aircraft.
If we don't
Yes, sir.
in zero wind
Yes, sir.
condition,
I
track
remember
is
that.
equal to heading. Yeah, so all that knowledge you have to use in order to solve your sums. If you know that, then you should use it. Remember. Write down. You are required to maintain a track of 198 at a TAS of 136. Your wind vector is 320 at 14 knots. What will be your new heading and ground speed and also the drift?
Yes. So like north, east, south, west. 90, 136, 136. So wind is coming 323. Okay. So my track is 198. Test is 136. Wind speed is 40 knots. 40 feet. Right. So this is starboard side, this is port side, and इधर से भी ले तो this is one. So 1 second. My, my, I did it wrong. So my track is 198. Okay. So 91, 198. Yeah. So it will be like this. 198. And wind is coming from 360. So wind is coming like this.
360 or 320?
320, 320, so like 320. And starboard, port, and I right like I have to TH202. So like this. Okay, a bit like this. Okay. So the ground speed will be 170 knots, and my true heading will be 202 degrees, and my drift will be toward port side, and yes,
Say again your ground speed
my
and
drift
heading.
will be, and the value for the drift will be 4 degrees.
What I think you have written the question wrongly. What is
Sir,
your
the track
TAS?
was 198.
Track was 198, TAS was 136.
136. So yes, the ground speed is 140 knot, 143 knots,
What is your wind vector?
and my true heading is 203.
Yeah,
Wind vector is 320, and wind speed is 14 knots. So it
so
is
why were
ground
you
speed is
getting wrong
143
answer?
knots.
Why were you getting a different answer before?
I read. I wrote this only.
Okay. Okay. So your heading is
My heading is true heading is 203 knots.
what's your drift?
203 degrees. 203 degrees. 203 degrees. Drift will be towards port side,
Value is still not giving me the value
and
of
the value
drift.
for the drift will be 5 degrees. 5 degrees. 5
Perfect.
degrees.
Perfect.
5 degrees.
Next sum. You're required to maintain a track of 284 at 260 knots. TAS.
So your voice was breaking. Can you please repeat?
Sure. You're required to maintain a track of 284 at 260 TAS with a wind vector of 1990 at 52 knots.
260 190 and 52 knots is my wind vector. So my track is 284. North, south, west. Okay. So 90, 180, 270, 360. My track is 284. So it is like this. So my track is something like this. So what is this? This will be my starboard side. This will be my port side. Okay. And wind is 190 degrees. So wind will be this. So wind is somewhat like this. Okay. My track is 284, 260, 190. Wind speed is 52. Okay, then I'll turn 260. No, my track is 284. I've done like this. Just 12 degrees.
Remember, the
Okay.
wind value is the direction from which it is coming. Okay? Don't plot it like you're
Yes,
plotting
sir.
track.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My track is my track was 284. TAS is 260. Wind direction is 190 and wind speed is 52 knots. So my ground speed will be 258 knots and my heading will be 272 degrees. And so the drift will be towards starboard side and the value for the drift will be 12 degrees.
Correct. Very good. Are you following? Are you
Yes,
following
sir.
properly?
I got it now. Yeah. Yes, sir, I am.
Many people clear navigation, but still, I'm sure they are not thorough with these concepts. You have to make sure that you master. We have already covered this. We have already covered this, and still
Yes,
you're
sir.
getting wrong answers. Now, it should not happen. There is a reason why I'm doing it again with you. Your priority should be that
Yes, sir.
whatever you have done till date should be mastered by you. You should be thorough with everything that we have covered till date. What would be your goal? Your goal
Yes,
should
sir.
be to be thorough with everything that we have covered. Now I think you will gain more
Thorough
confidence in
with
solving these
everything.
sums. Take a screenshot, and today's homework will be to solve all these sums. I'll share the screen with you.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Or what I'll do is, mm,
So I did send today's homework in your mail.
okay, I will check it. I haven't checked the email. A screenshot will be fine, right? You'll be able to answer, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is the table.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Did you take screenshot?
Yeah, yeah, I
Now,
did.
now take this.
Yes, sir.
Finish it. And you have to add one more column for drift in the right side.
Yeah, I'll
You have
add
to
that.
make it like this. See, I made it. I'll show you. See, like this. You'll add a section of drift here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Remember, everything starts with the understanding of your directions, your cardinal points, the
Understanding of the
sexagesimal
question
system,
direction.
measuring directions clockwise.
Yes.
First thing we plan whatever is given, forming the plus and then making accurate. This will really ease your confusions.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll take a short breather, 5 minutes, and we will solve more sums. So take a breather and come back in 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we will do something known as practicing flight plan. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, all that you have studied till date is essential while you are working out your flight plan, even before you have started flying. The weather
Yes,
forecast
sir.
will give you the anticipated winds, and the required track will be given to you because you know you have to maintain a desired ATS airway, which will have a track, true track. You will be given a task based upon your fuel calculations, your specific fuel consumption, and which flight level you're going to fly. Then what you have to account for is your directions, your deviation, your variation, your true heading, so that you get your heading. Once you get your heading, you have to apply wind corrections using the velocity tracker. So everything is interconnected. Okay.
Yes.
Now you have to strategically use your logic and fill in the flight plan with certain given things. Okay. So
Yes.
starting, you will be given an altitude, you will be given your estimated temperature, you will be given your CAS. You'll have to find TAS then.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see all that. How to do. You have to use
So
your common
we did
sense,
this before.
use your NavCalc, step by step solve it. Okay. I'm simply going to show you the
So we did this before actually.
question paper right now.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
I cannot hear you.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
So
I
I
can.
was saying that we have did this earlier. Earlier.
Why don't you do it again?
Yes, sir.
I want you to make this table quickly in your notebook.
Yes.
Altitude in feet, temperature in Celsius, CAS in knots, TAS in knots, track,
Track, wind
wind vector,
vector,
heading,
true heading.
variation, magnetic heading, deviation, compass heading, ground speed, distance, time. I'm very glad you remember, but now you understand why we are doing it. We are doing it because we are practicing a flight plan. And when you will be actually filing a flight plan, you'll have to do all these
Yes, sir.
calculations. This is flight dispatcher work, basically.
Okay. Okay, so
Did you write in all the details?
heading. Yes, I'm doing. Heading, ground speed, distance, time.
Okay, shall I stop sharing? You've written
Yes, sir.
everything in your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve. Take your time. Use your logic. If you're confused with something, ask.
So can you share that again? I didn't write the first question actually.
Sure. It's not the first question. It is basically the values you have to maintain when you are at an altitude of 2000 feet.
2000 feet. Yes.
Okay, it all
2000 feet.
starts
My
with your
temperature is.
altitude. So basically, by the time you
Yes, sir.
reach 2000 feet, you should be on a track of 100.
100.
Your anticipated or weather or your wind forecast is 330 at 17 knots, so that you can analyze what heading you want to be on.
Yes, sir. Deviation is 1 degree west. My heading north.
Using that heading,
Distance
you
is.
can fill in the CDMVT, and then
Yes, sir.
you have to find the ground speed also and the time, because the distance to travel is
Yes, sir.
50 nautical miles at 2000 feet.
15 nautical miles. Yes, sir, I remember that.
This is stage 1 of your flight plan.
Yes, sir.
Did you write it down? Should I stop sharing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can.
First, enter your answer in your notebook in pencil. We'll cross check.
Yes.
One by one,
Yes.
enter. And once all values are filled, you give me an answer. We will cross check.
Yes, sir. So this 160. Temperature is -10. Temperature is 2000 feet. (160), 2000 feet. So the temperature will be in OAT, right? The temperature is outside air temperature or total air temperature. It it is outside air temperature.
Hmm.
160 cas. It is 2000 feet, which is -10. Okay. Now heading. Compass heading. Wind correction is 150.48. The track is trading is not given. Wind speed is 70. Wind direction is 330. My dash is 158. Track is 100. Wind speed is 70. 330. Ground speed is 168. And my true is 55. So west is best. East is least. West is best. 100. 101. Speed equals speed. Symmetry, yeah. Distance speed. That is 50. 168. 9. Sir, for time it will be.
It should be in minutes.
So time, yes, sir. So formula for time will be time is equal to distance upon speed.
There is there is a way to solve time, distance, speed in your nav calci.
Speed, yes, sir.
Use that.
Okay, there is.
If you are confused, use that.
Okay.
It will solve and figure out what is the equation while using the calci so that you can remember the equation.
Yes. Okay. Yes. 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 Yes.
Remember yesterday how we found out
160.
something that is not directly deductible from your nav calci, if you remember.
Yes, sir.
We have to find what? Outside air temperature.
So time should be in minutes or hours. Time
Ch-
should be in minutes or hours.
check the table. You didn't check the table properly.
I just wrote time actually. So can you please show me the table again?
Time is in minutes.
Time is in minutes. Okay.
You have to focus more on details. Okay.
Details. Yes. Yes.
You want to
Yes, sir,
become
I got my answer.
what are your answers?
Yes.
Mhm. Tell me what's your task?
TAS is 158 knots.
158.
Yes.
Okay. Give me answers, no? So, give me all
160,
answers.
2000. Yes. TAS is 158 and heading is 95 degrees. Variation is 5 degree west. So heading magnetic heading will be 100 degrees. Then deviation is 1 degree west. So compass heading will be 101 degrees. Ground speed is 168 and time is 17.82 minutes.
Not bad. Are you sure about your answers?
Yes, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I am sure. Yes.
Okay. Good.
So just a second. Just a second. Okay. I'll just. I guess there is someone in the door.
Sure, sure.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to cross check your answers?
Yes, I'll. We will. Yes.
Check your answers. Are they correct? Check the screen.
158,095, 100, 101, 17 point. Yes, sir. It is correct.
Correct it in your notebook.
Yes, sir. So TAS is. Yes, sir. It is correct. Yes. So my TAS was 158. Here it is 159. Heading is 95. That is correct. Heading magnetic is correct. Heading compass is correct. Ground speed is 168 here. Okay. And time is 17.82 minutes. That is round to 18.
Show
Yes,
me
sir.
how you're doing it in your notebook.
So it is pretty messy actually. So you'll not understand.
Okay, but you're making a table, right? So say write the second equation quickly.
Yes, sir. Yep. 4700 and temperature is I'm sorry. TAS is TAS is not even sorry. My CAS is 170. My track is 227. Wind vector is 317. Uh,
310.
variation is
310.
300. Oh, 310. 310.
Careful.
Yes, sir. Deviation is 2 degree east. 2 degree east.
It's okay.
Distance distance is
112 nautical miles.
112 nautical miles. I'll just cross check. 4700 minus 2 170
You want to
227
cross check?
300.
Okay, cross check.
Yes, I'll 4700 minus 2 degrees 172 27 310 3 degree east 2 degrees 112. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So as speed my that space my gas is 170 which I do is 4700 pressure is 2 degree minus gas was 170 pressure 4700 over 18 gas is 1 4700 170 and outside air temperature is -2. Okay, so now I'll find my heading.
I want to take a screenshot of this.
Yes, sir.
Did you take?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. This one, flight plan 2.
Yes, sir, I did. Compass heading. Wind speed is 10 degrees. This also, sir?
This also.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yes, sir.
This
Wind
is very
direction
different.
is, yes, sir. 179. Wind direction is 300. Wind speed is, okay. And, yes, so, yes. My, my track is 227. So my ground speed is 176 and true heading is 230 east has to east is leads to 7 225. Okay. My ground speed is 176. Distance one one. So got my answer.
You got your answers?
Yes, sir.
Just a sec. I'll just share the. What's your ground speed?
My ground speed is 176 knots. My ground speed is 176 knots. Time is 38.8. My true airspeed is 179. Heading is 230 degrees true. Magnetic heading is 227 degrees. Compass heading is 225 degrees.
Check your answers.
Yes. Yes, 230, 226, 225, 177, 38. Yes, sir. So there is difference of one knot in the speed. Like, will it is okay, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Okay, good, good, very good. So there, sorry, there was a reason I
Yeah.
made you do all these sums, and if you'll realize, it's almost 1.5 hours, and we were able to do only a handful of sums. But we
Yes.
have learned so much about the possible
Yes.
mistakes that we could have made. Now, these topics should be so thorough in your
Yes,
mind
sir.
that
True.
even if middle of the night I wake you up and give you equations, all you need is your nav calci, pen and paper, and you're able to give me correct answers without any confusions. So there should not be any second
Correct
thought when you come
answers.
to answers.
Confusion.
बोट है कि स्टार बोर्ड है, अरे नहीं, लॉजिकली जाऊंगा तो एक ही चीज होने वाली है. सो कंफ्यूजन्स नहीं होगी. जहां भी
Yes, sir.
कंफ्यूजन्स आ रहे हैं वहां पे कहीं ना कहीं मैं कुछ तो मिस कर रहा हूँ. क्या
Must
मिस कर रहा हूँ?
go.
कार्डिनल पॉइंट्स, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शंस, पोर्ट स्टार बोर्ड, क्या मिस कर रहा हूँ? कोई वैल्यू गलत लिख दी होगी मैंने. You should cross check your steps. Now today you have so much. I have shared. You have taken so many screenshots. There are around, I think, not less than 50 sums,
Yes, sir. There are.
almost around. So practice them, solve them, and I want to see your answers. So we'll check your answers tomorrow in the session. By then, finish everything. Sit and do
Yes,
as
sir. I'll
much
do.
as you can. Although you have done it, don't get bored. Every answer should be perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Every
I'll.
answer
Yeah.
should be perfect.
Perfect.
So sit
Yeah.
today, dedicate, and finish all the equations. Tomorrow we'll solve sums
Yes,
related
I'll do.
to d lat, d long, and we'll do more about a little bit on the shape of the Earth, great circle distance, and the wind correction angle and total angle. If
Yes,
you
sir.
are mastering this much, then understand quickly your general navigation will be completed up to 80%.
Okay.
Okay, this is our strategy.
Yes.
But are you there? Yeah. But I can finish the syllabus quickly, but it won't be good if you have confusions on the topics that we are following. So make it a point to ask yourself
Yes,
again
sir.
and again.
True.
Make it a point to ask yourself again and again. Am I confident with what I'm learning? Are there confusions? If yes, write it down and discuss with me. Sir, यहाँ पे मुझे ये confusion है, मेरा sort करके दो. If there are no
Yes.
confusions, then amazing. I'll quickly want to come to mass and balance. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
performance. So after this couple of lectures, we'll be able to jump on mass and balance and performance.
Mass and balance.
Then there'll
Yes,
be a
sir.
lot of practice sums. Okay, so now that further expectations are set, please ask me any questions if you have.
No, sir. I don't have any questions as of now. But I'll do revise everything today thoroughly, and I'll see that I have questions or not.
Revise, study, solve, practice, and get
Yes,
thorough.
sir.
Lack of practice will create problems like this. Starboard and पोर्ट का जो हुआ वो इसीलिए हुआ क्योंकि हमने 3-4 दिन से शायद वो सम सॉल्व नहीं किया है और नया नया पढ़ा है. प्रैक्टिस
नहीं
करोगे,
किए थे ये.
प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो
Yes.
आपका नेविगेशन स्ट्रांग होगा. इट्स ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग एंड देन प्रैक्टिसिंग.
Strong.
You have to keep
Practicing.
practicing till the day
Yes.
of your exams. पता है ऐसा भी होता
Exam.
है, आप
True.
एक महीना अच्छे से पढ़ लोगे और फिर क्लास छोड़ दोगे बिकॉज एग्जाम्स नहीं आ रही है, तो एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे आप फिर से भूल जाओगे सब कुछ. I'm telling you what happens.
सही बात
So
है.
so ये
Yes.
अवॉइड कैसे करना है? हमें
Yes,
डेली
sir.
प्रैक्टिस करनी है. सो अभी धीरे धीरे हम वो शुरू कर रहे हैं, धीरे
Daily
धीरे मैं
practice करनी है.
हाँ. एंड क्वेश्चंस पूछते रहना है अगर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So don't shy in asking questions. Don't shy in
Yes,
telling
sir.
me if you have difficulty in understanding anything.
Yeah.
Okay? Before we go, just read. Yeah, you can see this, right? Just read this paragraph.
Yes, sir. Resolving phase in previous activity. Complete calculate resulting track and ground speed. Inside your several operations that can be carried using track and ground speed from heading. Yes, heading tab and then wind vector from heading ground speed we find. Yes, sir. Heading and ground speed from track, TAS and wind vector. You're in a aircraft with land test for 146 knots. The forecast ground speed B.
I want you to quickly make this table in your notebook. The reason why I'm asking you to do is because they can play in the examination with words. Like, what do you find
Yes, sir.
from what when you have to hold on a mandatory heading? So you have to
Hold on
find
military heading.
so you have to find track and ground speed using heading, TAS, and wind vectors like this. There are slim chances, but such questions could be asked to you because it is a part of the textbook. These are the three most common applications. When you are required to maintain on a mandatory heading. So now, up to now, we were learning about we have to keep a track. So we change our heading.
Track,
But there will be times when you will be required to maintain a heading. So you'll have to keep changing your track
track. Okay.
if you have to maintain the heading. So it is opposite to what we are doing. We have to find the wind based upon our actual track, actual heading, TAS and ground speed. This wind will be the latest wind, more recent.
Yes.
Then something that we already solved, track is given to us, TAS is given to us, wind is given to us. Now to maintain on the track, which is basically flight planning, to maintain on a track, we'll have to maintain a new heading
Flight
or we'll
planning.
calculate a new heading. ब्रैकेट में न्यू ट्रैक और न्यू विंड दिया है बेसिकली सो रिमेंबर डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड
Yes, sir.
ओके डन
Yes, sir.
गुड
Okay.
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विथ योर फ्लाइट प्लान कैलकुलेशंस दे आर परफेक्ट and I'm also happy afterwards that you have solved these sums which are perfect. Now all you have to do is just practice and master the concept. So you have practice sums,
Practice.
you solve those sums, finish them. Let's hope you get all correct answers for all those sums.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do
I'll
as
get.
much
Yeah.
as you can. If you can finish, great, but don't be lazy. Enjoy
Yes,
and
sir.
do it. Okay, it's very easy.
Yeah.
All right then, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
In between, if you have any questions, give me a call directly. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, I'll give. Bye.